Top 5 must use Discord features. In this video, I'm going to be telling you about 5 must use Discord features, so let's get started. The very first one is here. Go to your server, click on your server name and click on app directory. You will be taken to the app directory homepage. Basically what this is a combination of the store's discovery feature where you can find other servers and then you can have your quest tab as well. From the apps tab, you can add anything you want, entertainment application, any bot which are available on Discord itself. Pretty much anything you can find anything here which can be helpful for your server's privacy, your server's entertainment, your server's verification and so much more. The second one is to start an activity in a voice channel. Just like this, let's suppose I'm in this voice channel. You can start an activity from here. Just click on this and you can start an activity like a game or anything which is super entertainment and very effective on your Discord server. So yes, the third one is this activity button. Like for Wordle in text channel, it is also very entertaining, kills boredom of the server and it also keeps the server alive. So yes, this is pretty much helpful for keeping the server up and running. The fourth one is here, server insights. It is pretty much very helpful for keeping an eye on the overall server. Just click on go to server insights. This will open your browser. This is very helpful for keeping an eye on the overall server, which makes it easy to analyze your mistakes on the server, like who is following you or the time who is leaving the server, how many servers you have followed, how many servers unfollowed your server, and what are the sizes of servers which are following your server, what are the published messages, what are unpublished messages, key metrics, everything. So basically yes, this is pretty much helpful for keeping an eye on our Discord server. The last but not least is our server template, which is in server settings. Go to server settings, scroll down, you will here see server template. This is basically a kind of a backup of your Discord server. Like this template will only copy your channels, your channel topics, roles and permissions and default server settings. That's it. Which will not be recovered is messages or any content members or words, your server icons, boosts or other perks. So yes, this is also a very helpful feature of the Discord and can save you a lot of time if the server goes down or anything. So yes, this was it for today's video. If this guide was helpful for you guys, so please consider subscribing, leave a like, comment and thanks for watching.